So we went from 90 to 100 plus degree weather, and now we're looking at storms all across the U.S. Nobody should be without some sort of emergency backup system to keep all their devices charged. So this is a 60,000 milliamp hour battery bank made by the company Anker. Many of you are familiar with them. They make chargers and small battery banks, and recently they started developing much bigger, more powerful battery banks. And what's unique about this one in particular is they market this one as sort of a lantern. And it's got a little light on the top. You press the button here, wake it up. This is low, this is high. You can orient it. If you don't want it shining at you, you can orient it to point behind you, or you can push it all the way down and it just essentially illuminates a very small area of space around you. It's also got an SOS mode. Press that button and it blinks 3 short, 3 long, 3 short. It has a variety of ports. One of them down here, this is the USB-C port, and this is for charging laptops like your MacBook Air, your MacBook Pro, any of them that have the USB-C port. This also doubles as the charging port to charge this device. You got 2 regular USB ports, 2 USB-Cs, and you have a port for a solar panel, anywhere from 11 to 22 volts up to 60 watt input. You can charge this thing in the sun. I've got a couple devices here. I've got my smartwatch, a portable battery-operated fan that also doubles as a battery bank, and then I've got my wife's phone and my wife's tablet. And we're going to start with the tablet here. We'll plug it in. And what you're going to notice is it will wake the device up, and it shows you the percentage of it, and also shows you the output, how many watts are going out to the devices, and how long the device will last charging that other device that you plugged in. Okay, and now I'm going to plug in this device here. That's the fan. So we'll plug that in. You see it charging. And then you notice here that the output increases, 15 watt output. And now we're going to plug in my smartwatch. You'll see that it drops a few more hours. Okay, let's see. It's probably already charged up, so it's not going to pull very much. Maybe another watt or 2. And then we're going to plug in my wife's phone. Plug it in here. And her phone is at 45%. So it will definitely pull more. There you go. Output 18 to 20 watts. You can see that it does drop drastically, but again, this is just going off of the wattage consumption. Still, 9 hours for charging all of these devices simultaneously is very, very impressive.